Hey, what? Now be gentle. How did it get on the house? Oh, no, wait a minute. No. That is cruel and unusual punishment. That's not fun anymore. Jason, it's all over you in the house now. Pull it.
Happy Father's Day. Yeah, Happy Father's Day. We love you. Yeah. Stop, he's trying to pee. Now I'm going to lick myself. You got Mother's Day.
Oh, I get it.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
So I get it now. You eat like it.